This review is for a Perilogics nylon cell phone holster. It's made of a very strong ballistic nylon, sewn edges, and you can see there's a couple of neodymium magnets to help keep that closed. There's a large pouch on the front. You could keep a charge cable or headphones in this. I keep a 10-foot tape measure, a Stanley tape measure in here. I left a review for that on Amazon as well. It has elastic sides on both sides. I've attached my Leatherman using some paracord to this side. On the back there's a clip that I clip to my jeans and run a belt through the belt loop. There's also a vertical loop that you could utilize. Two pen elastic loops on either side, one here and one here. I keep a Fisher space pen that was designed for use on the oil rigs. I work in the oil field. Inside I have an iPhone 6s Plus. In this style case, this is not my phone. In here I have a Write in the Rain tablet, and there's also a place for an ID, and it won't go down any further than that, so it does stay up above the edge. All in all, it's a really great piece. I bought this in June of last year. It is now January. There is a little wear and tear. That's a really easy fix for anybody that's ever been in the military and had to deal with the paracord. You just sort of light that on fire and douse it, and your frays are gone. And they actually terminate the fray as well, because nylon is just plastic, so it just melts. Thanks for watching the review.